In today's video, we are going to introduce you to some machines with unique jobs. They're not just ordinary machines, they have their own special purpose to tackle the extraordinary situations. So, without any delay, let's get started. Fractum breaker. The world's largest hammer, delivering up to 4 million joules of energy in a single stroke. This machine is the Muhammad Ali of breakers. It's used to break rocks, concrete, mine ores, etc. It works on the principle of delivering a large force on a small area, and the material is not able to absorb the energy and gets disintegrated. The fractum hammer is compatible with most of the earth-moving equipments, and can be repaired at the site of operation. Its efficiency increases as the rock becomes harder. It is more precise, safe, efficient, and generates less vibration to the chassis as compared to its competitors. Due to its punchy performance, it is second on our list. Chain trencher. To dig a long trench of several feet abroad and few meters deep in just a few hours seems impossible for ordinary human labor. But here comes the extraordinary machine, the trencher. Trencher may range in size depending on the work it is used for. They are usually used to dig trenches for laying cables and pipes. And usually a chain trencher contains a long arm conveyor belt fitted with sharp blades that make it look similar to a giant mechanical chainsaw. Chain trencher can maneuver its arm to dig deeper, or as per the requirements. This is definitely one machine which transformers wish they could change into. Kemper harvester. A machine which is capable of cutting 20 rows of corn in one go. Yes, you heard it right, 20 rows. This machine is not only just capable of cutting corns, but also smart enough to tell when crop is ready to cut by using onboard sensors. It is able to stabilize the cutter arm automatically as per the height of the crop without the interference of the driver. This machine can save large amounts of money and time in the agriculture sectors. Kemper harvester is in the testing phase and will go into series production from 2020 onwards. This machine is the fusion of technology and the agriculture sectors, and will be way ahead the conventional systems of harvesting. Rotary snowplow train. Think about a situation when the train tracks have several feet high of snow, and at this time everything is frozen. One machine comes to the rescue, known as rotary snowplow train. This engineering marvel is fitted with large circular sets of blades, which help in removing thick layers of snow from the tracks and make way for other trains. Rotary snowplow train goes through the snow like Angry Hulk and helps in making tracks open even in heavy snowfall. This machine deserves to be in our list. Aquatic weed harvester. This is an aquatic machine mainly designed for inland watercourse management to harvest and cut underwater weeds, reeds, and other aquatic plant if present. Weed harvesting boats are developed for the maintenance of canals, rivers, and lakes, and to take out excessive aquatic life such as algae and other plants that may affect the waterway's ecology in a negative way. Aquatic weed harvesters are large floating machines that contain underwater cutting blades that cuts the stems of underwater plants, collect the weeds, and grow them on conveyor belts, storing the vegetation collected in a hold. Later, this is discharged to a barge or an onshore facility. The harvested product can be used as composite, sent to for landfill purposes, or used in land reclamation. This machine serves as an environmental protector too, as it also helps in collecting plastic wastes from lakes and rivers. MBS-18 screener. The MBS-18 screener bucket is a beautifully innovative piece which is attached to the Komatsu PC288 US excavator, which is used for processing wet material. Do you know how perfect these buckets are for the selection of natural materials, both before and after the crushing phase, using a regulated rotational speed of 25 RPM? Now you need not worry about the screening of salvage material, as you have the MBS-18 screener now. Isn't it the perfect life and time saver? The MBS-18 screening bucket reduces crushing times by up to 60%. and are able to manage the job in the best way possible. It's the only bucket with a hydraulic intermittent system, which not only makes screening of wet material possible, but also increases production by 30%. I'm not exaggerating. I call MBS-18 simple, sexy, sturdy. most efficient and flexible, the sweetheart of optimal screening. F60. Yes, you got me right, F60 35 TGB. Reichwald, the largest machine in the world, is the serial name of the 5 conveyor bridges. It is the largest mobile industry machine in the world to date. This baby does a lot of tasks, even without getting tired or overburdened. Using the conveyor bridge, they transport that overburdening, which is stored above the coal seam. Technology, F60 35 TGB. Reichenwald has 2 chassis, which run on 3 excavator side and 2 tilt side tracks in standard gauge. Furthermore, there are 2 tracks from the transformer and cable cars, as well as the attached bucket chain excavators. There are a total of 760 suspension wheels, of which 380 are driven. The maximum speed of the F60 35 is 15 meters per minute, while the working speed is 9 meters per minute. It is up to 80 meters high and 240 meters wide, with a length of 502 meters, colloquially called a recumbent Eiffel Tower. Isn't that cool? It weighs 13,500 tons. Oh, baby, it's heavy. Flaming tractor. No, don't worry. Nothing will happen to your crop. It just may seem a little intimidating. But trust us, this is one state-of-the-art technology which is meant for the safety of your crop. This is used to burn the weeds away. Yup, just a cool idea to do things differently, that's all. Also, these fiery tractor-mounted flame weeding units are not outlandish at all. This is an almost 70-year-old technology. Believe you me, the idea of burning was combined with cultivating as early as 1900. This folding toolbar consists of a fuel tank and 2 burners, one on each side of the row. You can also call it an insect destroyer, which is very much certified as an organic method of controlling weeds. This is the best weed control method during wet conditions, increasing yields up to 25 to 30% compared to yields obtained through cultivating otherwise. Come on back, this ride's over. Let's go on to the next one. Ventrac Edger. Are you finicky about the unorganized and unarranged sidewalks? Then, Ventrac Edger is just for you. Yes, very much meant for your machine. Gone are the days when you had to maintain sidewalks and walking paths manually with hand equipment. We are in the era of advancement, and the best example for this is the Ventrac Edger, a beautiful sweetheart meant to maintain sidewalks. It not only saves time, but also saves a lot of energy. And trust me, it is fun. All you need to do is simply mount it on a tractor. Get one operator out there and quickly navigate miles of sidewalks. Not just that, in fact, the Ventrac Edger has myriads of advantages for you. One is you don't need to walk the whole day when you can ride on this beautiful piece. Very comfortable, cost-effective, and efficient. Less is more in Ventrac Edger's case. In addition, it comes with a handy power blower to blow the debris while you're edging the sidewalks. Pantera 4502. It is both beauty and the beast. Pantera 4502 is a self-propelled crop protection sprayer. Your concern for your crop is very much legitimate. With this beautiful state-of-the-art technology called Pantera 4502, you are able to meet the challenges you face while protecting your crop. Perfect combination of technology with management systems is brought together in this self-propelled sprayer. The Pantera 4502 is the most innovative piece of all time. It's just not enough to call the beauty comfortable, cost-effective, efficient, and ecological. The beast does more than just these words. Meant for large farms and contractors, for those who are intelligent enough to plant intelligent production. This machine can be stretched 24 to 40 MT, very much adjustable by nature, meaning it is foldable 218 PS tier 3B, 1.8 to 2.4 meters, and with 50 kilometers per hour. We hope you enjoyed the ride. Please subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so we can meet again.